So looking for all organization things for the pantry, we started off at TJ Maxx because it's right down the street, and I had no idea what I was looking for, but I decided to go with brown since my kitchen is brown. I can't wait till it's not, but for right now, we decided to go with brown stuff. So we got a few cheap pantry organization things. Everything we got, at least in this aisle, was under $5 for sure. But I don't really...
It's fighting with you.
Yeah. Okay, come in this aisle. It's red.
Oh.
Yeah, $30. They're all kind of expensive. So. I like this one.
The pretzel holder?
I don't know why, but I like it. Now we're at our favorite store, the Dollar Tree. They didn't have much, but I was able to pick up some really nice little brown baskets to match the theme. Is this a different size or the same?
Same.
Okay, so this is what we have. I've already started pulling stuff out, and it's a horrible, nasty mess. Look at that. We've already got some type of organization stuff down there. I don't even know what that is. That was here when we moved. Pick up all the freaking oatmeal. Yeah, like why is that down there?
Someone obviously dropped it.
We just got groceries. Got some of the organization stuff here. We've got to try to get all of this in our small little pantry.
Okay.
What do you got?
Mom, that.
There's no cereal in here. It's empty. That's just a picture.
Mama, I had these, but they were clear.
See, I was too short to see up there, but I need to get up there. We're gonna clean off these.
Get the step stool, guys.
I need to know. Tell me in the comments. What is this? What exactly is this for? This was here when we moved here, along with the... Okay, what exactly is this for? Tell me in the comments below. so these are freshly washed. No moisture. Okay. All right, so let me. Okay, so here's where we're starting with the juices and the top ramen, and there's some other kind of noodles back there in the back. This is our juice section. I set the red vines right there. They'll probably end up going on the counter or on the table, like in the middle of the table, but for right now, that's where they are. We've got water. We're really running low on water. We have a lot of cabinet space in this house, so therefore it makes it to where we're able to use this for just pretty much a snack pantry. Here's all of our chips. We've got the barbecue, the classic, sour cream and onion, the salt and vinegar, the queso, the Takis, the Doritos. We've got a variety of different popcorns in here, from movie style butter to kettle corn. We've got the Ritz crackers, a variety of snacks right here, from those. No, I don't eat any of these, so I don't know the names, but we've got a bunch of snacks in here. This is holding our breads, and this is for, I didn't even take the tag off, so I'll show you guys. This is for foil and stuff like that. $3.99 at TJ Maxx, but this is what I'm using it for, because I always have lots of pastas. I actually think I have more, and if I find them, see, I can stack them instead of putting them in a container. I like them like that. Some more snacks. Here's the Hawaiian bread. Lots of different varieties of oatmeals in there. We've got the cookies. So these are really nice. Oh, I've got two right here. Okay. So these little shelves are really nice. I might get more to be able to make these shelves double shelves. TJ Maxx for like $4. Here's the other one. But yeah, if I got more, I'd be able to use these shelves, you know, double. We can put them this way and then have more space. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. Here's our cereal shelf. We've got the Ritz, the pretzels, the beans. So yeah, we've got a whole nother shelf up there. That's where we'll probably end up putting like more waters and stuff when we get them, or just the overflow. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Again, somebody tell me what the heck this is right here. But we're gonna use it for what it's for. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if this video was at all helpful for you guys. Bye.